Okay guys, let me turn down that noise. So we have Toyota Corolla, and as you see, there's no volume on that. So I have another Toyota player, and I like listening to the radio. I don't care so much about CDs. This one has a cassette, but I'm gonna change it out. And it is pretty simple, so let's get at it. Okay, so there's what you're looking at right there. And it'll be a little difficult because I gotta work around the camera so you guys can see. Anyway, I just grab a hold of this and pull there, and once it's out, just give it a little pull out, release all the tabs, and you don't even have to undo the wires. You can just move it up out of the way. Okay, easiest thing ever. There is 1 right there, 2, 3, 4 Phillips screws, and we'll just pull these out. Don't drop them. 1, that's 2. It's making all sorts of weird little noises. This is hard to work around the camera. 3. And if you're wondering why I have this on, it's because it's really cold outside, and I'm making this video and I have a little bit of heat on. How about you get the idea? And there's the 4th one. I'll get this out and then I'll come back. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I got the screw there. I got the screws out, and there's what it is. That's the connections. Now, see on that right there, that little tab? Push down on that tab, and you know what? Let me put this on a stand for you. There. So I push on this tab here and just pull up on the wires. So there's 1 out. Do the same thing on this one. That's 2 out. And this here is your antenna wire. So just give that a pull out. Now I got my other stereo to go in, and this goes in here. Okay, it plugs in to the antenna hole. Okay, now this is a little different stereo, so we're not using this. Okay, but we hook those in, just plug it in. And you hear the little pop. Plug this one in. Hear the little pop. Let's just sit it back up into place. I'm going to turn on the key. And let's see if we got anything. Oh, perfect, static. But, hear that? I got some sound. Let's reassemble. So, literally, you just push it back into place. Okay? Everything will line up. Now, there's a couple little, there. See, there's a couple little pins there. Up top, right there, and right there. Those have to line up in the holes, but that's in. Now, I'll just put in the screws. And again, 4 screws. Just don't drop them because they're... One. I'll do this bottom corner now. The trick is to get the screw in and going. Four. I'm just going to move this back, turn you a little like this so we can see the whole process. And so I just bring this back, put this in place like that. I usually just give it a push in at the bottom here, and then the top should just pop there. There. How's that for simple? Well, there you go, guys. If you're just wanting to switch out your stereo or looking what's behind that panel, how hard it is to get out the stereo, if you're going to change it to an aftermarket one, which I will do likely in a month or two. It's pretty easy. Anyway, guys, hope this helped out somehow. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.